Vlog video 923. I'm walking back to my house from Ryan's. It was a pretty good time, but Ryan was kind of annoying. We were playing Pokemon, and Corey was there, and now I'm walking on the street, and there's Ryan's shoes. There's Ryan's shoes. They're pretty cool shoes, I think. These are my shoes. There's a man on a cyclist, and there's a woman over there walking with a dog. We'll get a closer look. Wait, here's some shoes. Hello. That was a lady walking a dog. I think it's good sometimes to walk a dog because it's good exercise. Keeps the dog healthy. Anyway, I'm out for this one. Have a good day all night, and catch you on the flippity flip.